got this man back at it again with the dog, trying to piss it off.
I'd rather have her watch you get
He
bit.
think I was gonna bring my dog back, and he said that's what I thought. Like, I mean, he's mad now because I brought him out. Why did you say that's what I thought?
Because you were running away.
No, I wasn't. Pretty sure I was putting my dog back. You high? I mean,
Hey, Marilyn.
You wanna go now?
Is your brother an idiot?
Well, like 100% idiot.
I agree.
Oh.
And you torment your sister, not
What's a billion% stupid? You're liar idiot.
stupid liar idiot. Is that your new
Have
pun?
this and throw it at him.
Wait, Austin?
Austin, throw the stick at the dog. Do it, Austin.
He's running.
Yeah, because he wants to go in the grass. Right?
Let him go, Bill. See what he does.
Get him, Bill. Get him. Alright, I dare you to jump.
No, Austin, don't do it. I didn't jump.
No, he's my owner. I'm his owner. He wouldn't bite me.
Marilyn, you tried
I'm
to
gonna
jump.
put my hands in his mouth. He doesn't even want to bite me.
That's a retired police dog, right?
Because I was breathing.
That's a retired.
Exactly, so you shouldn't get close.
Dude, Austin, that's a retired.
Mouth.
Dude, that's a retired police dog. Why would you mess with it?
Yeah, dude.
Here, say it to the camera. Why would you mess with a retired police dog?
I'd rather mess with a unitard with a knife, which is you.
What's a unitard?
You.
Kid, because he's a retard. What do you think?
You're a unitard.
A unitard.
You have a unicorn
Sorry,
and
I'm
you're
a
retard?
retard.
What?
I'm sorry, I'm a retard.
So you're retard because it's uni. Uni means 3. So you're retard. Alright, that's what he freaking gets. Fuck his ass. Alright, end it.